guys, I am Aishwarya and today I am here to share with you guys one of my most favorite night care routine which I have been following it for quite late. And though I am not that regular to night care routine or skincare regime a lot, but this product has been my personal favorite from so long now. So I'll not keep you guys waiting, and without further ado, let's jump. Yeah, so the face wash which I am relying into right now, I'm using it is this vitamin C Wow Skin Science face wash, which has got this built-in brush with a deep cleansing property. If you guys know me, you must be knowing that I have been using Wow Skin Science products from quite long time for now. The first one is the apple cider vinegar face wash, which was absolutely amazing, and the second one I got the hands-on from the vitamin C range. It is the PR package which I got, and I am absolutely loving it. Not just is whatever skincare I am routine which I am sharing with you right now is completely non-sponsored, and it's my own view. You should include vitamin C in your daily skincare routine because it has got amazing properties which are very essential for your daily care and all. So yes, this is the first product which I generally prefer, and if I need something, I need deep cleansing, then I go for a rice water fish cleanser, which is not here right now because I forgot it away in Bangalore while packing stuff. So yes, this is was which I will recommend. After the face wash, I generally prefer using toner. I was it to this Wow Vitamin C Skin Mist Toner. So this skin mist toner from Wow Skin Science has got beautiful fragrance, because if you guys like citrus fruits like oranges, the fragrance which it has. And yes, this is the second product which I am loving it currently. And third, after skin toner, is the moisturizer part, and you guys know how much I love moisturizer. I have like many moisturizers, but I am preferring now this Skincraft moisturizer, which I have bought it recently. There are three products which they claim to make it customized according to your skin type, and therefore I am using the moisturizer from the Skincraft itself. And sometimes I do switch it to my favorite Clinique. I don't use it much. This is the second bottle after which I got it. The first one was amazing. You guys have asked me like so many times how it works, and just let me say you that this is one of the holy grail which you should be having if you are like a skincare, regular skincare. So this is my second bottle, and I know I'm not using it much because it's quite costly, and I do prefer using it when there is some special function go out for. So yes, the middle class thing you can get. So this is the Clinique one, and also this is the Skincraft one, which is my current favorite out of all the moisturizer. And yes, I love using the Olay Skin Science range, which I recently got a very nice as a moisturizer. You can use it as a daily night cream as well as moisturizer. It has got lightweight properties, glides on your skin like a dream. And yes, Olay Regenerist Whip is one of the best moisturizer I have ever used. It also helps reduces the skin wrinkles, and you should include this in your everyday regime if you have passed 26 years or 25 years of age, because it is actually a very important step to include anti-aging creams on your beauty regime if you have already crossed 25, or it's better to start early. So yes, this is the moisturizer collection which I am preferring right now. And then moving on, I generally prefer using aloe vera gel. This is the second aloe vera gel after Mama Earth turmeric and aloe vera collection which they have sent me. That was amazing. I have used it like every day while sleeping. I generally skip moisturizer if I have to use this aloe vera gel because it has all the properties if you like a moisturizer. But yes, sometimes overdose is also not great because it makes your skin feels oily. You can use, like I do use it on my hair as well as my face. Like while sleeping, I just usually put it on my face, and by morning it is like super soft. And this is the second Oriental Botanics one which I got recently, and I have been using it like from last 5-6 days, and believe me, it is also a very nice product. If you are looking forward for aloe vera gel, then I'll just suggest go for Mamaearth or else go for Oriental with Botanics. You will be loving the product. This is my recommendations. So yes, after this moisturizer, or if I decide to skip moisturizer, then I generally prefer using this aloe vera gel. And next I have this great serum. I was looking forward for this from quite long time. It was on my wish list. I have always heard about very good properties about green tea serum from McCaffeine, and finally I got my hands on this McCaffeine green tea range, and I have been using it. Like, I got it recently, but I was using of my friend's McCaffeine range, and I generally love it. Like, McCaffeine has got beautiful products, like their body scrub is also so great, body butter, and now this McCaffeine green tea, one of the serum which you will not regret investing your money at, because this has got all the properties and this works wonder. Like, you can see the skin has started. I have seen the skin has behaving so nicely nowadays. Like, I used to get breakouts a lot when I apply moisturizer. As a blogger, you have to do the daily makeup thing all the time, and it just gets a toll on your skin. Sometimes it just gets breakouts, you get acne, but believe me, after using all these products, the breakouts has reduced considerably, and I am particularly loving all these products which I have recommended. These are totally non-sponsored, and I am using it, and you can see the skin. This I have only used a simple moisturizer and just a little bit of CC cream. That's it. The lip moisturizer, I have got my hands on the most hype product of all the time, the Laneige lip slipping mask. And if you ask me personally, then it is worth the hype, guys. Yes, you got it all right. You just invest it, believe me, try it out, and you will feel the difference in the first day itself. It will, like, you have to apply a generous amount in your lips, and in morning you'll feel your lips feel so smooth, and it actually works, guys. It actually works. I've already used so much, and I got it recently, like, to buy on my birthday, but before that I got this hands on, and I am loving it. The lip slipping mask is one of my personal favorite out of all. And then the last but not the least, I generally, I don't apply it every day, but yes, I generally prefer using night dark circles. Because of dark circles, I have bought this Momsco natural Vita Reach on under cream, and yes, it has worked good on my skin. I used to skip it, like, I don't use it every day, but yes, whenever I use it, I feel noticeable difference. And the Momsco one is one of the best eye roll on, if you ask me. It has been also there in Amazon bestseller range, so you can always trust Momsco products. Yeah, so this is the skincare routine which I generally. So this is one of my birthday vlog video which I have decided to film out my current favorite skincare routine. I'll also be sharing with you guys my Nykaa haul, or my birthday shopping haul very soon. For now, I'm waiting for my products to arrive. This is the first time I'm spending my birthday with my family after quite long. Super excited. Take proper precaution, always wear mask, carry your sanitizer, because those are the most important things which you need to take care of today's situation, the prevailing situation. So my birthday vlog is coming very soon. After my birthday, I and my sister share the birthday in the same month. So yes, even I have been preparing for her birthday as well. So that's it. Signing off. That Boho Melon. Hope you guys like it, and do let me know what you love. Thank you so much.